Test directions. Today we are going to learn about test directions. Test directions. 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 Test directions. Number 1. Turn off your phone. Turn off your phone. Number 2. Put your phone in your backpack. Put your phone in your backpack. Number 3. Don't talk during the test. Don't talk during the test. Number 4. Don't help your classmates. Don't help your classmates. Number 5. Answer all questions. Answer all questions. Number 6. Don't show your answers. Don't show your answers. Number 7. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Number 8. Underline the correct answer. Underline the correct answer. Number 9. Use a pencil to write. Use a pencil to write. Number 10. Don't use a pen. Don't use a pen. Number 11. Can't borrow your classmates' school supplies. Can't borrow your classmates' school supplies. Number 12. Can't borrow a pencil. Can't borrow a pencil. Number 13. Can't borrow an eraser. Can't borrow an eraser. Number 14. Can't borrow a pencil sharpener. Can't borrow a pencil sharpener. Number 15, put your notebook in your backpack. Put your notebook in your backpack. Number 16, put your binder in your backpack. Put your binder in your backpack. Number 17, you can keep pencils, an eraser and a pencil sharpener on your desk. You can keep pencils, an eraser and a pencil sharpener on your desk. Good luck with your test, everyone. Thanks for taking time to learn English with us.